What's the measurements right there?
37.
What's going on, guys? Alex here with Reject Rides. Today we're going to be working on the Z71. We're actually going to be installing a leveling kit on it, and also going to be replacing the rear tail lights. One of the rear tail lights is busted out, but right now we're actually going to go look for a little even place where we can measure the front to give you a good measurement. So we'll see you in a little bit. What's the measurements right there?
37 and a half.
37 and a half. Alright. So we got a first measurement right there. 37 and a half. And this is what it looks before. And go around the other side and check it out. Hey, can you measure the other side? Make sure it's 37 and a half. This is that busted tail light we were talking about. Some kid busted it at Tractor Supply. Okay, so it's the same. But yeah, this is what it looks like right now. And we'll be giving you another measurement here in a little bit whenever we take care of the leveling kit. Alright, so let's see what we need. Phillips. Go ahead and replace both of these. So these are the lights. Try to take them out. Let's see if I can flip over. Found it? Yeah, that one. Did you find the tool? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's the tool right there.
Can I order on Amazon?
Yes, sir. And this right here is our tension piece that we're going to be swapping. I believe it's a 3.5 inch leveling kit. And then we got some shock extender. And the tool to remove the leveling keys. And this is what they look installed. Way better than the other ones. Not bad. sure if you can see, but we got to take these bolts off of here. This right here is holding the tension. Goes into here. A lot of people just torque this all the way down and it raises up front end, but then it's tight, real tight. It feels like crap whenever you're going down the road. So now I'm gonna take this one off to release the tension. This is the old one, and then this is the new one. Doesn't look like there's much of a difference, but alright guys, so this is the finished product. It's actually 40 inches in the front and it's 38 in the back, so it's a little bit higher in the front, but that's it. I mean, not bad for a little leveling kit. And it was a 3-inch leveling kit. And then, you know, we put on the tail lights. So we got new tail lights. Looking pretty good there, blinking at you like a pervert. But yeah, that's what it is. Not bad. Alright guys, well I'll catch you on the next one.